welcome back to our YouTube channel at Semco Painting and Decorating. Today I'm gonna demonstrate how to paint a clear on the stairways. We all have these kind of stairs in houses, so I think it will be good to demonstrate how to prep it and how to paint it, which materials to use, and how to do all the things with the preparation and painting included. For this project I'm going to use a power sander. I'm using palm sander with 80 grit sandpaper. The reason I'm using 80 grit sandpaper, the paint that's on these stairs normally is very tough, durable paint. So we need a stronger sandpaper to take off all the surface of the paint, so another coat of paint can stick to that coat of paint. The paint I'm going to use, it's CFP floor. This is floor paint. It's a clear finish, oil-based paint. The only downside of this paint is it's got very strong smell, so I highly recommend to keep area ventilated when you're doing this. And as well, if you have a family with young kids, to take them out for a couple of days, not to be in the house, take them to grandparents or whatever, because this is very strong smell. It's got very strong odor. So yeah, I'm gonna start sanding and prepping it, and I'm gonna record everything so you can see how it's gonna be done. When working inside the house is like example this one here, I prefer using a tool that's attached to vacuum cleaner, because you want to collect all the dust. You don't want the dust to go everywhere, because this house is clean and freshly painted, so we don't want to put dust all over the new painting job. This is it. The first coat is finished. Tomorrow I'm going to record the second coat. This is pretty much how you do the stairs and the floors. The only difference between stairs and the floors is the sanding. If you just need to do the light sand, you can do the small power sander or whatever. But if you're going to do the proper sanding of the floor, you gotta get professionals to do that for you. Here we are, back again. The first coat is finally dry. It's been drying all night. So now we're gonna do the second coat, finish coat on top of this one. But before we do that, let's recap what's been done so far. The first thing we've done here is sanding with the power sander. We used palm sander with 80 grit sandpaper. So we sanded all the surfaces on these stairs. After that, we cleaned it with the rag and the metal spirit to remove all the particles of the dust from the stairs, and put first coat of clear on the top of it. Now the first coat is dry, and we're gonna start doing second coat. The first thing I'm gonna do is gonna be sanding again. We're gonna sand it light sand with 240 grit sandpaper. Clean it again with the metal spirit, and then paint second coat, finish coat. And that will be it for these stairs. This is the sandpaper that I'm gonna use. It's 240 grit from 3M. It's a very fine sandpaper, because we just need to do the sanding, light sanding of the surface, so the second coat have something to grab on. Here we are, second coat finished, that's it. Thank you for watching, till next time.